Hello, and welcome to the Senior Spark channel. As a senior caregiver, effective communication with healthcare providers is crucial to ensure your loved one receives the best care. In this video, we'll be discussing 8 tips for effective communication with healthcare providers as senior caregivers. As a senior caregiver, effective communication with healthcare providers is crucial to ensure your loved one receives the best care. Effective communication can help healthcare providers understand your loved one's needs and concerns and help you know their medical condition and treatment options. This video will discuss tips for effective communication with healthcare providers as senior caregivers. 1. Before a healthcare appointment, prepare a list of questions and concerns you want to discuss with the healthcare provider. This can help ensure that all critical topics are covered during the appointment. 2. Be clear and concise when communicating with healthcare providers. Use simple language and avoid medical jargon. Communicate relevant information about your loved one's medical history or current symptoms. 3. Ask questions to clarify any information you do not understand. If you are unsure about a treatment option or medication, ask the healthcare provider to explain it in more detail. 4. Take notes during the appointment to help you remember important information and instructions. You can also record the meeting with the healthcare provider's permission to ensure you get all the critical data. 5. Advocate for your loved one by speaking up if you have concerns or feel their unmet needs. Be persistent in seeking answers or solutions if necessary. 6. Technology can be a helpful tool for communication with healthcare providers. You can use telehealth services to communicate remotely with healthcare providers or mobile apps to track your loved one's symptoms and medication schedules. 7. Involve other caregivers in communication to ensure that all critical information is shared and understood. This can include family members, friends, or professional caregivers. 8. After an appointment or hospital stay, follow up with the healthcare provider to ensure your loved one receives appropriate care and treatment. This can also include scheduling follow-up appointments or tests. In conclusion, effective communication with healthcare providers is crucial for senior caregivers to ensure that their loved ones receive the best possible care. By preparing for appointments, being clear and concise, asking questions, taking notes, advocating for your loved one, using technology, involving other caregivers, and following up, senior caregivers can effectively communicate with healthcare providers and ensure that their loved ones receive appropriate care and treatment. Always prioritize your loved one's health and well-being, and do not hesitate to speak up if you have concerns or questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the Senior Spark channel next time. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more videos on senior living, and visit seniorelements.com for more expert advice and resources.